7 lonely days and a dozen pounds of gold. I reached out one night and you were gone. Loved you much too long, my love's too strong to let you go. Never knowing what went wrong. I drew photographs of walking through the rain on this lonely Kentucky back road. I've loved you much too long, my love's too strong to let you go. Never knowing what went wrong. Kentucky rain keeps pouring down, and I'm in another town that I'll go walking through. And the rain in my shoes, the rain in my shoes, searching for you in the cold Kentucky rain. Oh yeah, cold Kentucky rain. Showed you a photograph, some old gray-bearded man sitting on a bench outside a general store. She's been here, but her memory wasn't clear. Was it just a day? No way, the day before. Finally got a ride to the preacher man who west. Were you bound on such a cold, dark afternoon? As he drove on through the rain, as he listened, I explained, and he left me with a prayer that I'd find you. Kentucky rain keeps pouring down, and up ahead another town that I'll go walking through. With the rain in my shoes, rain in my shoes, searching for you. Thank you very much. Thank you.